Good morning, students. It's Mrs. Kamdar on Wednesday, March the 3rd. I wanted to explain your assignments for all my periods. So period 1 and 2, don't forget to take attendance, 7th graders. And then you're going to work in your project organizer. It is linked in the agenda. So if you go, I'm showing you period 2, but period 2 and 1, 7th grade, you're the same. 6th grade, I'm going to get to you in a minute. But 7th grade, you're going to go to Project Organizer, Task 3. And when you go to your Task 3, please read these instructions right here. It's super important. I'm grading you on criteria A, outlining a scientific knowledge. So read what you need to do. Basically, you're going to your Project Organizer. You're going to scroll down, 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 until you get to the left bar that says Task 3. Read that carefully, do the work. It should take you about, if you're doing a really good job, thorough job, and not just copying and pasting stuff, about 30 minutes. And that's all you do for today, 7th graders. 6th graders, what you are doing is you're going to go to your agenda and you're going to take attendance. Please don't forget. Some of you are forgetting and I'm marking you absent. I don't know. And then you're going to do Edpuzzle. Hopefully the link should work. And it should take you to Edpuzzle. Make sure you're logged into your school account and answer all the questions in Edpuzzle. The video is about 5 minutes long, but by the time you listen to it and try to answer the questions correctly, it's going to take you about 30 minutes or so. And then that's all you do for today. So the learning goal for all of your periods is to use your self-management skills. Don't rush to go through things. And I'm very proud of all the work you guys have been doing already. And that's it. Have a wonderful day. I will see you guys tomorrow on Zoom. That's right. I'm back. Whatever, right? Okay. Bye. Miss you.